This is video test 1. I'm really just trying to test the lighting, the sound, see if this Mars One Colony Project thing video is going to work. So right now, I'm going to do something growling in DT. Oh, you probably see the segue, so it breaks the illusion of me rubbing one. I cracked me up. Anyways, I'm going to do this Mars One Colony Project thing. You get to see from the get-go what's going on. I have nothing. I'm sick. They jerk off me when they're freaking awesome. Oh, Shakeway. That amused me. And I gotta shut this off.